In this video, I want to give a little help on Project A for some of you who may not be that comfortable in Excel. So let's look at the purchase side. The purchase amount is $1,000. The description says they don't pay anything in January, so the $1,000 goes right there. The way you get it there is by hitting equal and pointing to it. There it is. Now, the beginning balance in every year is equal to the ending balance in the previous year. The interest, the APR, is 18% per year. It's an APR, and we need a monthly rate. So that's going to be 18% divided by 12. That's the rate we're actually going to use. We're going to apply it to the beginning balance. So we're going to multiply that times 1.5. Now, I want to freeze the reference to that 1.5, and the way I do that is by hitting F4. See the dollar signs? It's always going to reference that 150. I'm going to add those two together, and there's my outstanding balance. Now, the payment has got to be 3% of the outstanding balance or $25, whichever is more. I'm going to use freeze again. I'm going to multiply that times 3%, and I'm going to freeze the reference to the 3%. 3045. Okay? Ending balance is the outstanding balance minus the 3045. And if I copy this down, several ways to do it. I can catch the corner like that and just copy it. Or I can right-click, pick copy, and just go down. Now, this interest payment, minimum finance charge, that's interest, is 50 cents. I can use an if statement to find that. If that number is greater than 50 cents, then it's 1.5%. If it drops below 50 cents, it defaults to 50 cents. You can use an if statement to do that. If the beginning balance times the 1.5 is greater than 0.5, then the result is the C24 times the interest rate, freeze it again, else, if it's false, it's the 50 cents, and I'm going to freeze that. It's $14.77 because it's larger than 50 cents. Copy this down. I'm going to add those two together. Now, over here on payment, I can use if statement in the same way here. Well, if the outstanding balance times the 3%, freeze the reference, is greater than $25, then it's the outstanding balance times the 3%. Otherwise, it's $25. It's greater than $25, so that's what it is. Copy that down. Once you've got that line right there, this line with the if statement, you can copy it all the way down. Now watch what will happen when we go a little bit further. It defaults to $25. Now, if using those if statements is beyond your Excel skills, just do this. Copy the interest column all the way down and the payment column all the way down and eyeball it. When you see it drops below $25, change it to $25. When the interest drops below 50 cents, change it to 50 cents. There's a video out there on Excel Basics if you need a little bit more on this, but hopefully this will help you some.